Oh, not to worry. The water will be along shortly. I'm off to claim my throne. Starting today, they are going to welcome a new girl. Starting today, no more lying or sneaking about. No, there's another lovely as a flower. Someone who's totally in power. Starting today when the real Ludmilla comes out. Starting today, every rule's guaranteed to be broken. Starting today, every whisper turns into a shout. Feel all my inhibitions molting.
More than just the peasants are revolting.
That's starting today when the real Ludmilla comes out.
Starting today is the grand transformation. I can obey or go on a vacation. Starting today she'll be ruling the nation from down.
And starting today, the whole world will be mine on a platter.
Every man on a plate.
Dear you peasant, Theo, dim-witted lout.
Gee, the future looks great.
Now my inner beauty is appearing. I can almost hear the peasants cheering. Starting today when the real Ludmilla proves she's a